Learn about 100 must-try street foods from around the world and explore their unique flavors, ingredients, cooking styles, and importance in different cuisines. Comment your favorite street food from the video. Pani Puri. A crispy Indian street snack filled with spicy flavored water and tangy fillings. Tacos. A Mexican street food made with tortillas, meat, vegetables, and sauces. Hot dog. An American street favorite with a sausage served in a soft bun. Shawarma. A Middle Eastern wrap filled with seasoned roasted meat and vegetables. Takoyaki. A Japanese snack made of batter balls filled with octopus pieces. Banh mi. A Vietnamese sandwich with meat, pickled vegetables, and herbs. Crepes. A thin French pancake served with sweet or savory fillings. Churros. A fried Spanish dessert snack coated with sugar and cinnamon. Falafel. A crispy chickpea ball commonly served in Middle Eastern wraps. Satay. Grilled Southeast Asian meat skewers served with peanut sauce. Samosa. A fried pastry snack filled with spiced potatoes or meat. Kebab. Skewered grilled meat popular across the Middle East and Asia. Arepa. A cornmeal cake from Venezuela and Colombia filled with meats or cheese. Empanada. A stuffed pastry popular in Latin America and Spain. Pretzel. A twisted baked bread snack famous in Germany and America. Corn dog. A sausage coated in cornmeal batter and deep fried. Gyro. A Greek pita wrap filled with seasoned meat and tzatziki sauce. Bao bun. A soft steamed Chinese bun filled with meat or vegetables. Roti Canai. A flaky Malaysian flatbread often served with curry. Momo. A Tibetan dumpling filled with meat or vegetables. Vada Pav. An Indian burger-style snack with spicy potato fritters. Dosa. A crispy South Indian rice crepe served with chutneys. Kathi Roll. An Indian wrap filled with spiced meat or paneer. Pav bhaji. A buttery bread served with spicy mashed vegetables. Bhel Puri. A crunchy Indian snack made with puffed rice and chutneys. Aloo tikki. A crispy Indian potato patty served with sauces. Jhalmuri. A spicy puffed rice snack popular in Bangladesh and India. Poha. A flattened rice dish commonly eaten as street breakfast in India. Kachori. A deep-fried Indian pastry stuffed with spicy fillings. Pakora. Crispy vegetable fritters coated in spiced gram flour batter. Burger. A grilled meat or veggie patty served in a bun. Pizza slice. A handheld slice of cheesy Italian-style pizza. Fried chicken. Crispy seasoned chicken sold at many street stalls worldwide. Fish and chips. A British street meal of fried fish and potatoes. Poutine. A Canadian dish of fries topped with gravy and cheese curds. Loaded fries. Fries topped with cheese, sauces, and meat toppings. Onion rings. Battered and fried onion slices with crunchy texture. Nachos. Tortilla chips topped with cheese, salsa, and toppings. Cheese steak sandwich. A sandwich filled with sliced beef and melted cheese. Sloppy Joe. A sandwich made with seasoned ground meat and sauce. Tamales. A Latin American corn dough dish steamed in leaves. Elote. Mexican grilled corn topped with cheese, chili, and lime. Quesadilla. A tortilla filled with melted cheese and grilled fillings. Burrito. A Mexican wrap filled with rice, beans, meat, and sauces. Tostada. A crispy tortilla topped with beans, meat, and vegetables. Enchilada. A tortilla rolled with filling and covered in sauce. Chimichanga. A deep-fried burrito with savory fillings. Ceviche cup. Seafood marinated in citrus juices with fresh herbs. Pupusa. A Salvadoran stuffed corn flatbread with cheese or beans. Tlayuda. A large crispy Mexican tortilla topped with beans and meat. Okonomiyaki. A Japanese savory pancake with vegetables and sauces. Yakisoba. Japanese stir-fried noodles with vegetables and meat. Taiyaki. A fish-shaped Japanese pastry filled with sweet fillings. Onigiri. Japanese rice balls wrapped in seaweed with fillings. Gimbap. Korean seaweed rice rolls filled with vegetables and meat. Tteokbokki. Spicy Korean rice cakes served in rich chili sauce. Korean corn dog. A crispy Korean-style hot dog coated with toppings. Pho cup. Vietnamese noodle soup served in portable cups. Spring rolls. Crispy rolls filled with vegetables or meat. Dim sum. Bite-sized Chinese snacks including dumplings and buns. Scallion Pancake. A crispy Chinese flatbread flavored with green onions. Rujiamo. A Chinese meat sandwich often called a Chinese burger. Jianbing. A Chinese breakfast crepe with egg and crispy fillings. Laksa. A spicy Southeast Asian noodle soup with coconut flavors. Mee Goreng. Spicy fried noodles popular in Malaysia and Indonesia. Nasi lemak. A Malaysian rice dish served with sambal and sides. Curry puff. A Southeast Asian pastry filled with curried potatoes or meat. Lok lok. Skewered street foods dipped in boiling broth and sauces. Char kway teow. Stir-fried flat noodles with seafood and soy sauce. Martabak. An Indonesian stuffed pancake with sweet or savory fillings. Bratwurst. A German grilled sausage commonly sold at street markets. Currywurst. Sliced German sausage topped with ketchup and curry powder. Belgian Waffle. A fluffy waffle topped with sugar, fruits, or chocolate. Croquette. A fried roll filled with mashed potatoes, meat, or cheese. Pierogi. Polish dumplings stuffed with potatoes, cheese, or meat. Langos. A Hungarian fried flatbread topped with cheese and sauces. Souvlaki. Greek grilled meat skewers served with pita bread. Borek. A flaky pastry filled with cheese, spinach, or meat. Doner kebab. Turkish sliced meat served in wraps or bread. Marin glacé. Sweet roasted chestnuts sold on European streets. Jerk chicken. Jamaican grilled chicken seasoned with spicy jerk spices. Ackee and saltfish. Jamaica's national dish often sold at street stalls. Doubles. A Trinidadian snack made with curry chickpeas and fried bread. Bake and shark. A Caribbean sandwich filled with fried shark meat. Bunny chow. A South African bread bowl filled with curry. Boerewors roll. A South African sausage sandwich served with sauces. Suya. Nigerian spicy grilled meat skewers with peanut seasoning. Koshari. An Egyptian mix of rice, pasta, lentils, and tomato sauce. Sfenj. Moroccan fried donuts often eaten as street breakfast. Tajin wrap. Moroccan spiced meat or vegetables served in bread. Chaat. An Indian savory snack with sweet, spicy, and tangy flavors. Kulfi. A dense Indian frozen dessert flavored with nuts and spices. Jalebi. A crispy spiral-shaped Indian sweet soaked in sugar syrup. Rubbery faluda. A creamy dessert drink with noodles and ice cream. Ice gola. Shaved ice flavored with colorful syrups and spices. Bubble tea. A Taiwanese tea drink with chewy tapioca pearls. Frozen yogurt. A chilled dessert topped with fruits and syrups. Caramel popcorn. Sweet crunchy popcorn coated with caramel glaze. Roasted corn. Fire roasted corn seasoned with butter, salt, and spices. Cotton candy. A fluffy spun sugar treat popular at fairs and festivals. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillion.